Hello guys, welcome to my unique net channel. Today I am going to show you new Sapphire Power about first look and what is the usage of that, how it work and what is the unique differences it has. So this is Sapphire Travelwifi Power. Sapphire Power means it has the they put the Sapphire Power. The Sapphire Power means it has a battery pack inside and 7000 mAh battery. Once you charge fully, it will take 5 hours to charge. Once you charge the Sapphire Power fully, it will work up to 28 hours. See, it has here 7000 mAh battery, serial number, name and everything. Here as usual IMI numbers and everything. I'm going to unbox for you and I'll show you how it look like and more details about the device. Whenever you open, you will get a user manual on this device, a paper clip, because it has an inbuilt SIM card. Okay, so this is our device. This is the first look. It has 6 lights to show you network, battery percentage, Wi-Fi and everything. See, it's not very heavy, it's good. See the little details here, name, password and about the battery and power outage output. And as you know, it's brand from Travelwifi. So here is a power button to turn on and turn off, same thing as usual. And here is the SIM card slot, so you can put a new SIM card, or actually you don't need a SIM card for this one, but they give you additional option to add a SIM card, or you wanna use a SIM card. As normally the people, some people they like to use a SIM card, so you can use a SIM card. But if you use a SIM card, then you cannot use it globally through the app. If you don't have a SIM card, then you can use cloud technology through online the Sapphire application and you can buy a plan. And as normally you can charge this device, same thing as USB-C cable. And this is the new 3 things they add on this power bank. So some people they have a phone like a micro cable, so they can charge easily through this one. People who have iPhone, they can use lightning cable to charge their phone. And normally Android users, now all of the new Android they have a USB-C port, so they can charge through this one. Let's put it back and talk about the device. So this one is still 4G, not 5G, but the increase speed on this one, it has a very good speed and work very nice smoothly. No 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 up and down. Is I have a review from some people who already purchased this device and they are very happy to have this one. If you use a battery pack of this one to charge your phone, then this device is not giving you a 28 hours battery backup. It will be going less and less. It depends how you're gonna use the battery pack. If you not use battery pack and just use as a router, then 100% it will work up to 28 hours, no issues at all. And you have any issues, anything, you can just talk to Travelwifi, or you can comment on my videos, everything. Also in the box they give you charging cable to charge this device. The block you have to use your same phone one, because they don't give the block with the device. Yeah, you can bind with this barcode to your app from Sapphire application, and will work. And this one, the default, they give you 3 GB data plan free with the device. 3 gig 3 GB, the yeah 3 gigabyte free with the device including. Once you scan this barcode through the Sapphire application, you will get a bonus 3 GB default plan free with the device. So you can set up with that, or you can buy more plans, or whatever country you travel, you just go to the app and you can buy as usual normally through the Sapphire application. In future they also updating the app. They are going to launch a new app. It's called Travelwifi, and it's already available on Play Store. I'm going to show you that also. And you have any issues, any concern about that, please comment on my page, and I will try to help you. Yes, usually this is Sapphire application. Yeah, so this is normally view of the application, and you will get here this one link Sapphire device. And once you open the camera, you can scan that device, and you will get it here, the 3 GB data plan free. And if you go any other countries, it is here all of this country details. You can buy whatever country you go the plan. Afghanistan, Artesia, Angola, Albania, Angola, any country plan like Kuwait or anything, and you can search it. You can buy 1 day plan, 7 day plan. It is not a contract or anything. You can buy a plan, depend on your usage. Maybe you want to buy $55 35 GB or 15 GB $38. You can. So as usual, any plan you can buy. It's not contract or anything. Once your 30-day or 7 day or 1 day finish, the plan stop working. That case you have to connect any other Wi-Fi free, and you can just go to the app and you can buy more. Let me show you the new Travelwifi application on here. Go to the Play Store, just right here, Travelwifi. Yeah, see, this is the one, Travelwifi. I already downloaded, and let's look now, all in one application. So once you open, you have more options on this one, a lot of options. You can rent Sapphire and use it and pay it back, and all of this country, and easy to use this one. See, lot of things. So we will talk about this application later on this video. Today is that's it. Okay, you have any concern, anything, please comment on below YouTube video, and I'll try to help you in everything. Thank you guys, have a good day.